Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change Equalizer on Spotify for better audio quality. So to get started, first of all go ahead and tap on the Spotify application. Now you'll be directed to the home page of Spotify. Now what you can do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon, which is up here on the top left corner. Now here you can go to your settings and privacy. Now here you can see many options. Now go ahead and tap and playback. Now when you scroll a bit, you can see the option called Equalizer. Tap on it. Now here the option Equalizer is turned off on my Spotify, so simply enable it. Now you can adjust the hertz according to your wish or desire. So once you have done that, you are good to go. And yes, this is how easily you can change Equalizer on Spotify for better audio quality. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.